Whatever you'd expect in a $28.95 car, we think you'll agree Mustang 2 gives you more. Jewel-like styling and detailing, a thrifty 4-cylinder engine, front disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, a wood-tone panel with real instruments, even a tachometer, a 4-speed, not 3-speed transmission, a truly elegant, luxurious interior. All standard in the base model Mustang 2. Sticker priced at $28.95, excluding dealer prep, destination charges, title, and taxes. Of course, if you want to design your own version of this little luxury car, we've got countless options. This particular car shows just a few of them. The all-new Mustang 2. Almost 19 inches smaller than last year's Mustang, even smaller than the original one. A whole new kind of car, a great new kind of value at your Ford dealer.
We designed the Ford Escort GT with an advanced port fuel-injected engine. Next, we added a more precise cornering front and rear suspension, along with a carefully selected interior. And we did it all just for fun. This is Escort GT.
Have you driven a Ford lately?
The new 4.6-liter V8 Mustang GT and the new limited edition 305 horsepower V8 Mustang Cobra.
Hello.
Not since Mr. Ed has a horse spoken so clearly.
Whoa, Wilbur.
Right now, 72 mid-size cars have frozen 71 prices. But of all leading mid-size cars, one has unfrozen styling, unfrozen design, unfrozen engineering. Ford's Torino. This is Grand Torino, one of 9 new models. Torino's price is frozen, but it's been restyled, redesigned, re-engineered for 72. We wanted to give you a quieter, smoother ride, so we built a new, more rugged frame and body. We wanted to give you more precise handling, so we designed a new suspension system. We've added new front disc brakes, standard. We've designed new interiors to give you more room and comfort. Torino has moved ahead for 72, with all new styling and major engineering changes. Everybody can offer you frozen 71 prices, but everybody can't offer you a completely new car, which sort of sets us apart. Your Ford dealer's 72 Torinos. Only the price is frozen.
Cars, talk my language. Don't give me all that jazz about long and low and hot performance. Tell me how a car handles and rides and why.
Ford heard you, and we'll go you one better. We'll show you what this new Grand Torino does and why. Most new cars look new, but Ford Motor Company completely redesigned its midsize cars. The Ford Torino now has a rugged new body frame construction, like that in our quiet Ford LTD. There's a tough new rear suspension. Watch it take on those bumps. And we made Torino a little heavier and a little wider this year. It feels so solid, so stable, we call it the Easy Handler. Standard equipment includes front disc brakes. You stop with authority. Choose power steering, and you get even more handling ease. We even made it a little bigger inside for a family.
Man, you just talked to me.
Ford Torino. Quite possibly more car than you expected. And quiet because it's a Ford. At your Ford dealers.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, I am so happy you're home.
What's up, bro?
Man, welcome home.
You let him drive this?
Oh, he's a good driver.
So, Dad was, he wanted to be here.
It's all right.
It's fine. He's really happy, but he's just...
I know.
His dad.
Come on.
hi to your Uncle Kyle.
Congratulations, Mike. He's so big already. I wish I could have been there.
Hey, we're so proud of you.
What's up, Buzz?
Cleaning up already? Party just started.
I don't like things to get backed up. Your father will be back soon. He's running an errand for me.
What is it that you needed?
Kyle, he's so excited about you coming home.
I know. I'm just wondering what he'll say he was going out for this time.
Well, why don't you ask him yourself?
Hey, you're early.
Actually, right on time.
Welcome home, son.
Thanks, Dad.
Your mother, always needing something.
Yeah, Dad. So, how's she running?
Still remember the day I got her. Heck, every guy in my squad came back from the war looking to get one of these.
When I was over there, just the thought of it kept my mind off of things, you know? I know how it can be. And coming home, that's...
Yeah.
I ever tell you I picked your mother up for our first date in this car?
Did I ever tell you I took Sarah Thompson out for our first date in this car?
You did no such thing.
Gave Mark $20 not to tell you.
I checked the mileage.
Every day, I know. That's why we just went 3 houses down. We just parked and listened to music. I didn't tell Sarah that was why, but I knew you'd be checking, so...
So, what do you say? Want to go for a real drive, a little farther this time?
You're finally going to let me drive your car?
Not mine. Yours.
You're kidding.
Almost as pretty as mine.
It's beautiful. I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything, son. I'm just glad you're home.
Yeah, Dad. Me too.